Hey guys, Foggy Dew here, and I just received a package. Anytime you get a package from MBRP, it's gonna be a good day. So this is the Performance Series MBRP exhaust. They are a Canadian company. They boast that this exhaust will add an additional 2 to 3 horsepower, and the exhaust note is absolutely fantastic in comparison, obviously, to the stock one. Looks like a well constructed, well welded, well put together unit, and just looking forward to putting it on the machine. Hey guys, Foggy Dew here again, and what we're going to be tackling today is we are going to be changing out this factory exhaust with the MBRP Performance Series exhaust that I picked up about a week ago. So essentially all you have to do is undo a few of these bolts, basically disconnect the wiring harness for the lights and pull off that back plastic piece, and then pretty much the exhaust system is just on there with springs. So we'll tackle each of the springs, which I purchased a tool for this morning. Hopefully it lasts. Didn't have great reviews on the tool, but we'll see. And yeah, should be pretty good. I'm gonna do a startup on this exhaust, and then we'll do a startup on the new exhaust. Should see a pretty good difference in sound, and performance again is about 2 to 3 horsepower. So should be all right. Let's get to work.
On. There it is.
Okay.
Wow.
No, just me being cautious.
You got it. It's hard to probably figure anything out when you're there. Am I there?
And here's the first test with the new exhaust. And this is the in-cabin start with the new MBRP exhaust.